I feel like a superhero when I have a good night's sleep.
There's a popular saying that you can't pour from an empty cup, and the way to fill up that cup is rest. We need it. You need that REM.
We met at work 7 years ago. Naomi was the chief marketing officer and I was the director of mobile at this really big and sexy nonprofit and tech company in the city. And we gravitated towards each other very quickly. We would really come to one another almost like you would a life coach or a therapist. And what was really cool was the biggest thing that we gave each other was an opportunity to see ourselves in one another and to be self-compassionate.
We had this kind of aha moment where we took a step back and we were like, wait, what if we take the experience of really having that intimate connection and kind of bring it to the people?
We knew that there was a whole market of people out there that just wanted to relate on how they feel and wanted to be able to process it. And that's really why we started Shine.
Every day we'll send you a text message with different research-backed articles and insights, but it all sounds like it's coming from a friend.
Shine is really there for you as a way to help you get energized and to set an intention.
We wanted to help people start their morning right. When we were working at our full-time jobs and then balancing Shine, which was just a side project at the time, it was really tough.
We would do 7 a.m. meetings often when we would feel most creative, particularly if we had a good night's sleep. So we would do some of our hardest lifting around strategy and the brand.
And then we would go to our full-time job. And then we would usually take lunch breaks and try to optimize that. Our schedule was intense, and if we didn't maximize every single chunk of time, it actually couldn't have worked. But we recognize there's absolute recovery periods that are needed and are non-negotiable. So you're always trying to balance out, okay, how can I rest and get some me time? And also we have a lot to get done.
The balance of New Yorkers between being ambitious and hustling and kind of always on the go, and also this exciting zeitgeist of self-care and wanting to kind of foster intimacy and close relationships very much mirrors what we want to build as a company.
Our mission is to make well-being more accessible. So that means more representative, more affordable, easier. And that's why we get up every single morning. At Shine, we are really big at recognizing what you need and setting boundaries.
The way that self-care and intentionality is evolving is just about being more realistic and getting as much energy as you can where you can. So the nap room was very intentional because we want to build a company where people feel vibrant and energetic, and if they're not vibrant and energetic, we wanted to create a space where they can take some time for themselves to get some rest.
And this whole idea of just never sleep and never rest, you can sleep when you're dead, that doesn't actually work in real life. With Shine, we start your day with intentionality. It's kind of like handing our community the mic and reminding them of control.
We do sleep through so much of our day. What Shine does for our users, it gives them this trigger and this reminder to wake up and to really own their day.